Hi everyone, welcome to our tutorial on using the atlasapprox interface. Today we'll show you how to explore the co-expression of any two genes across various cell types and organs in a species. Exploring gene co-expression can help answer important biological questions, such as which cell types express both genes of interest, or how does the expression of one gene correlate with another across different tissues. As an example today, we will focus on two human genes, CD19 and MS4A1, also known as CD20. These are well-known markers for B cells, and their co-expression is crucial in immunology and cancer research, which makes them important genes to study together. Let's start on the landing page. In the query bar, enter the following question. What cells co-express CD19 and MS4A1 in humans? And then hit enter. Once the query is processed, you'll see a scatter plot showing the co-expression of CD19 and MS4A1 across cell types and organs in humans. Each data point represents a specific organ and cell type, color-coded as shown in the legend on the right. The x-axis shows the expression of CD19, and then the y-axis shows the expression of MS4A1, both measured in counts per 10,000 molecules. You can get more details by hovering over a data point. For example, the highlighted point represents B cells in the lung, with CD19 expressed at 1.4594 counts and MS4A1 at 8.3031 counts per 10,000 molecules. We can notice that most data points cluster near the origin, indicating relatively low expression levels for both genes across many organs and cell types. However, a few data points show higher expression levels. This suggests more active expression in certain organs. To better visualize the distribution, especially at lower expression levels, we can type log in the chart to switch the plot to a logarithmic scale. This helps distinguish between very low and moderately low expressions. For a more detailed view, we can type zoom in the chart. This zooms the data to the cell state level, providing a closer look at specific cell states within organs. That is for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next time.